how you can export your WordPress site as XML file. So all you're gonna have to do is to go to your WordPress admin and on the left find Tools section. Don't click, just hover your mouse and here gonna be export options. So click export. And now simply choose what you want to export. So if you want to export all WordPress site, stay at all content selected. It's by default. But if you want to, for example, export only posts or pages, so if you click on pages, you can select which pages you want from which date to end date. But if you want to all WordPress site, click on all content. And now simply click download export file and just name it, and as you can see it's in XML file, so save it. And now it was saved as XML. And that's basically how you can export your WordPress site as XML file. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.